This is our cabin that we've had set up going on 5 years. Raw walls, all metal, aka a storage container. And we are in the process of putting Prodex insulation in it. Day one, we put up pins on one wall in the ceiling and the end walls. Spent till 1 in the morning doing it, probably about 3 hours, 4 hours cleaning. First row, base row is installed on part. Gonna do the upper part next. Updated video of one corner done. Still have the ceiling to do, and then pins on this whole wall. I'm gonna put up the insulation on this wall. It's hard to see the finished product because we don't have really good lighting in here, and we already put away our other light, but we still got to get some more caps to put on it, but we love it. It has cooled our storage container tremendously. We still got the back door to do, opening door. Just got to figure it out. But it turned out good. We love it.